This tutorial review will show you how to add drop shadow in Photoshop. First of all, double click on the layer and double click on drop shadow. From here you can change the opacity of the shadow and you can change the distance from here, and you can also change the speed here. To change the size, play with this level. Once you're happy, click on OK. That's how we can add a drop shadow in Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.